Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be taking a look at 7 beautiful hair transformations and hairstyle ideas. So first up we have a hair color change. So it looks like this person does have an undercut going there on the side. Wow, so she ended up doing the ash blonde hair color trend. This is a very popular hair color at the moment, and we're going to be seeing a lot of this as we head into 2023. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, don't forget to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have some curtain bangs. This is another very popular hairstyle for 2023. And then we have this shaggy layered style. Now for this particular hairstyle, she does also have the curtain bangs in the front. And then we have this ash blonde colored lob. Followed by another hair color transformation. So it looks like she decided to freshen up her color and she added in a few curls as well. And then we have this pixie haircut transformation. I love the slightly ginger, it's like a light ginger color for the pixie. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.